Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Acronyms.
Let's learn English. Today, we will learn about some acronyms that we usually use or hear inside a working space.
Acronyms are simply abbreviations, created from the first letter of each word, in a phrase, or series of words.
FYI. For your information. It is used to tell someone something that they need to know. FIY. Here's an example.
Just FYI, we're going to have our presentation after lunch.
Thanks for reminding me. I'm done with the AVP.
ASAP. As soon as possible. It is used to tell someone something that is urgent. ASAP. Here's an example.
The board just called, and they need you there ASAP. I told them that you'll be there soon.
Okay. I think there will be some slight changes to the plan.
"24/7. All the time." It is used to describe something that is available all the time. 24/7. Here's an example.
I know that we can't work 24/7, but we really have to step up our game.
I think the marketing team has already made some plans.
B2B. Business to business. It is a form of transaction between businesses, such as one involving a manufacturer and wholesaler, or a wholesaler and a retailer. B2B. Here's an example. I guarantee you, our company is a very known B2B in this industry. I'm sure that we will take care of everything.
That's why I'm trusting you on this project.
B2C. Business to consumer. It is a term used for selling products and services directly between a business and consumers, who are the end users of its products or services. B2C. Here's an example.
The B2C transactions were increasing in frequency, so we had to update the web application software.
That's a big move. Do you think you can pull this off?
FAQ. Frequently asked questions. It is a list of questions and answers on a particular topic. FAQ. Here's an example.
I read our new FAQ, and I must say that it was well taken care of.
We took so much time to perfect that. ROI. Return on investment. It is a performance measure used to evaluate the efficiency of an investment, or compare the efficiency of a number of different investments. ROI. Here's an example.
The Board of Trustees wanted to know what the ROI for 2 to 5 years.
We'll have another meeting for that, I think.
CEO. Chief Executive Officer. It is the highest ranking person in a company or other institution, ultimately responsible for making managerial decisions. CEO. Here's an example.
Hi, I'm Rachel, the CEO of Richmond Incorporated. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you for taking some time for this interview. By the way, I'm Mark.
HQ. Headquarters. It is the center or building from which its operations are directed. HQ. Here's an example.
Our HQ is in New York City, right?
Yeah. I think they are planning to transfer our office near there.
ETA. Estimated time of arrival. It is the time when something is expected to arrive at a certain place. ETA. Here's an example. What's our ETA in North Dakota?
We will be there around 1:30 p.m.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
Number 1. It is used to tell someone something that they need to know.
Letter A. FYI.
Letter B. B2C.
Letter C. ETA.
The correct answer is letter A. FYI.
Number 2. It is used to tell someone something that is urgent.
Letter A. HQ.
Letter B. ASAP.
Letter C. FAQ.
The correct answer is letter B. ASAP.
Number 3. It is used to describe something that is available all the time.
Letter A. FYI.
Letter B. CEO.
Letter C. 24/7. The correct answer is letter C. 24/7. Number 4. It is a form of transaction between businesses.
Letter A. B2B.
Letter B. ETA.
Letter C. ROI.
The correct answer is letter A. B2B.
Number 5. It is a term used for selling products and services, directly between a business and consumers.
Letter A. FYI.
Letter B. B2C.
Letter C. ETA.
The correct answer is letter B. B2C.
Number 6. It is a list of questions and answers on a particular topic.
Letter A. HQ.
Letter B. ASAP.
Letter C. FAQ.
The correct answer is letter C. FAQ.
Number 7. It is a performance measure used to evaluate the efficiency of an investment.
Letter A. B2B.
Letter B. ETA.
Letter C. ROI.
The correct answer is letter C. ROI.
Number 8. It is the highest ranking person in a company or other institution.
Letter A. FYI.
Letter B. CEO.
Letter C. 24/7. The correct answer is letter B. CEO. Number 9. It is the center or building from which its operations are directed.
Letter A. HQ.
Letter B. ASAP.
Letter C. FAQ.
The correct answer is letter A. Headquarters.
Number 10. It is the time when something is expected to arrive at a certain place.
Letter A. FYI.
Letter B. B2C.
Letter C. ETA.
The correct answer is letter C. ETA.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.